To use the left function in Google Sheets, you start by typing $left into an empty cell. Then select the cell that contains your text, add a comma, type the number of characters you want to pull from the beginning, and close the parentheses. That's the core formula. It instantly hands you just the leftmost portion of whatever text you point it at. The full function looks like $left, a 2, 3, where a 2 is the cell holding your original text, and 3 is how many characters you want. If you're working with product codes where the first 3 characters tell you the category, like the letters BAT for batteries in a code like BAT100, you'd put that formula in a new column and the result would be BAT. That's your complete solution right there, and you can already use it on any text. If that's all you needed, you're set. But stick around because there's more depth that makes this function even more powerful and error-proof. Many people mistakenly forget the comma or leave out the number of characters, and when you do that, left defaults to returning just the first character. So $left, A2, would give you only the letter B from BAT100. Always specify the number explicitly unless you really only want one character. Another common pitfall is applying left to numbers stored as text, like zip codes or invoice numbers that look like numbers in your spreadsheet but were imported from a report. Left works perfectly there, treating them as text strings and extracting digits from the front. So $left, B25, on a zip code of 02144 would return 02144, preserving that leading 0. That's a lifesaver for addresses. Start by preparing a spreadsheet with some example data. It can be anything: product codes, full names, email addresses, or order reference numbers. Put those into column A, maybe from row 2 downward so you have room for headers. Then move to a blank cell in column B. Type $left, A24 if you want the first 4 characters, and press enter. You'll see the result appear immediately. Check it against the original in a 2 to make sure you got what you expected. If you need a different length, change the number in the formula, press enter again, and watch the result update instantly. That automatic updating is a huge benefit. If you change the source text in column A, your left results in column B change with it, so your spreadsheet stays accurate without you redoing any work. Once you have one formula working, copy it down the column by clicking the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell and dragging it over the rows below. Every row will adapt automatically, pulling from the corresponding cell in column A. This is where you can verify that the same character count works for all your data. Sometimes a product code might be shorter than you expect, and left will happily return fewer characters than you requested, with no error. That's fine, it just gives you what exists. After you've tested a few rows, try editing one of the source cells. Go back into A2, change the text, and press enter. The result in B2 will update on its own, which confirms your formula is live and dynamic. For real-world power, combine left with other functions. You might use it inside an if statement to categorize items, like if, left A23, BAT, battery, other. Or pair it with len to see how many total characters you're dealing with, which helps when you need to dynamically extract a percentage of the text. Another good combination is with trim. If your data has leading spaces from an import, left, trim A23, strips those spaces first, so your extraction is clean. You can also nest it with value to turn extracted digits into numbers for calculations, though be careful because that will drop any leading zeros. After you've built a few formulas, take a moment to format your sheet. Add bold headings to your columns, resize them so the extracted text is fully visible, and consider naming your sheet tabs clearly like raw data and extracted codes. Save your work often, and if you're collaborating, share the sheet with another user and ask them to edit a source cell. The result should update for them automatically, which is the hallmark of a well-built spreadsheet. For practice, test a few different character lengths, try 5, then 2, then 7, and compare the outputs side by side. You'll quickly get a sense for how precise you need to be. When you're comfortable, explore other text functions like write, which works the same way but pulls from the end of a string, or mid, which grabs characters from the middle. Left is often the starting point for cleaning imported data, creating readable reports, or building formulas that respond to prefixes in product catalogs, employee IDs, or area codes. You now know how to begin any extraction task cleanly and automatically, saving yourself from manual copying and the errors that come with it. Save your completed workbook as a reference, keep experimenting with different text values, and come back to these steps whenever you need to pull the start of a string.